Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change YesCoin language. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically, what you want to do is go to your Telegram, and then just type in /start to start it, and then click on play for airdrop. From there, you want to wait for it to load up. Then you want to go to the top right on the three dots, click on settings, the first option, and click on language, the first option. And basically you have some different options here. So you have English, French, Spanish, and these others. And the language you want to use, you just want to tap on top right to confirm, and that's it. That will be used as the primary language now. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.